Good morning, party people. Happy Sunday. Welcome to the Sunday vlog. Oh my gosh, I'm not holding this very well. So today, I'm meeting up with my friend Liv. We are gonna go and spend the day, well, the morning at Columbia Flower Road Market, something like that. It's one of those flower markets I've always wanted to go to. I can't believe I've lived in London for so long and I've never been, and I'm only just going today. So I'm really glad that we're getting the chance to go today, see what it's all about, get some really nice fresh flowers. So we're going to do that this morning, probably grab a coffee, bite to eat, see where the day takes us. And then I will probably share a little pampering routine with you guys later. We need to sort these nails out, and then maybe, just maybe, I will share my nighttime skincare routine with you guys. So yes, very nice Sunday reset day. Let's go.
She did say and I forgot.
And then eucalyptus as well. All right, guys, flowers secured. I feel like, so basically the flower market is open from 8 a.m. until 2. So I feel like you have to come here like first thing as it opens at 8 a.m. because obviously we just went and it's so busy. It literally feels like you're like a pack of sardines. So if you can get down early, then it's probably the best thing to do. But yeah, very happy. Hi guys, I am back home now. It is about 8 p.m. in the evening. I've actually been back for a little while, but I've just been chilling. So I'm going to chill for a little bit more. I'm back from gallivanting and hitting up the Columbia Road Flower Market with Liv. I feel like we had quite a good day and we got a good bunch of flowers. I'm actually very pleased with the flowers that I picked out. The sunflower, the eucalyptus, and the other spiky one that's like a blue and green colour. I can't remember what it's called. But yeah, we had a very good start to our Sunday, I think, and now I'm just chilling. I'm actually going to go and take off this makeup because one thing about me, it can get to about late afternoon, especially if I've had like my makeup on from the beginning of the day. It will get to about late afternoon, early evening, and I just want it gone. I just feel like I want to be like fresh, barefaced. So I'm at that point now, so I'm going to go and take this off, and then we're going to get into a little bit of a pampering session. Something I like to do, I feel like my Sundays are like the days that I kind of like just pamper myself. It's like the day of the week that you have that pamper day. And usually what that involves is like great music on, cleaning and washing is not really much of a pampering. In some strange way it is for me. Anyway, candles on, you know, things like that. It also includes me sorting out my nails. I used to actually get my nails done, not very often, more seasonally, and it would be between like acrylics and gel, but I haven't had that done for quite a long time now. Now I just have my natural nails. But they do need a new polish. They do need to be cut. So we're going to go and sort these out. And something exciting and something new is Madame Glam has sent me a gel nail kit that you can use at home, which I'm very excited to show you guys because I'm quite excited to see how this works. I feel like having a at-home gel nail kit is like a great and easy way to kind of just maintain your nails and have gel nails without having to go to a nail shop. So I'm really excited to try this, and I'm even more excited because they have given me a lovely generous discount code for you guys. So I'm going to share that with you guys in a little bit. But yeah, before we do that, let's take this off and then we'll get into doing that. And then hopefully, if I remember, I will show you guys my late night skincare routine. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. So this is what came from Madame Glam. It's inside the box. So it comes with these instructions. Looks pretty simple enough. And then we have the actual colours. So I had the opportunity to actually pick out a number of colours. So I've got 3 here. So this one is a really nice green. I think this will be nice for spring actually. And this one is called Boy Bye. Then we have this really nice burgundy colour. I feel like this is probably something that would be good for more of like an autumn season. But I actually tend to use different colours for whenever. So it is what it is. This one is deep burgundy. And then we have Perfect Black. This I would say is probably a bit of an all-rounder. Maybe not for summer, but for perhaps spring, autumn, winter is a good colour for that. So I think what we're going to do is probably go for this green because I think that this is perfect for spring. So we'll do that. And then they've also given the base coat and top coat, as well as the UV LED lamp. This should be fun. Okay, let's get going.